Hi, I'm Frankie and welcome to my channel where I show weekly videos of DIYs, mainly hat making, but I do other DIYs as well. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy turban headband. Basically you need a piece of material. This one measures 92 centimeters, which is 36 inches by 37 centimeters, which is 14 inches thereabouts. Doesn't have to be exactly right, but that's the kind of measurements I like to use. So this is slightly stretchy, actually it's a lot stretchy, only one way though. So what you're going to do is fold that double on the lengthwise, seam the side and then turn it back around, and so you've got a tube. If you don't want to sew, you don't have to, you could just tuck the raw edges under. So basically you're left with this sort of tube like that. Then knot it in the middle, because these turbans are all in at the moment, aren't they? Hide the raw edges under if you've not sewn them, something like that. Make sure it's kind of in the middle. Get a nice knot. Doesn't have to be too tight, just kind of loose. Then the edges, again underneath, stitch them together so that the raw edge is hidden. I'm just going to clip them into place for now. I am thinking of doing more videos about how I started my business, how I set up my website, my Etsy shop. If you're interested in that, please comment below and subscribe to see those videos. Right, stick it on your head. There you go. Hope you like it. Bang on trend. Please do like it. Thank you. Bye.